Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukupressa subscribe button. Transfer news bafethu involving ama-teams waku-PSL. Soqala ngeMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns-ke ifuna iplayer laseBrazil uMarcelinhos. If ngilisho kahle igama lakhe bafethu, ngizwe i-dialect nale way abayipronounce ngakhona li-different eBrazil. Bathi-ke iMamelodi Sundowns itheyibule i-35 million rands. Bayazama ngempela ukuthola i-replacement kaLucas Ribeiro ngoba kubonakala ngathi uLucas Ribeiro ngeke abuye kuMamelodi Sundowns. Even if they try to fight, but i-case yakhona bathi ingadraga to 2 years or so. Sibonile ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro already manje u-announce i-team yalapha, what is this, eSpain, second division yakhona. So kubonakala ngathi indaba yakhe neMamelodi Sundowns iphele ngempela. Even though njengoba ngishilo bafethu ukuthi they can try and fight, but i-case yakhona izodraga and drag, but siyazobona. So le player leli ngilicheckile li-exciting ngempela, dlala ngo-left nala washaya amagoli, super skillful. So identical in a way umfowethu naye in terms of create ama-opportunities, ne-flair, ne-skill, contribution yakhe overall to the beautiful game. Umdlali ngempela o-exciting. So lo mdlali lo i-team yakhe yase-Portugal but bamlonile eBrazil first division or so. Khona nala udlala nabo Neymar, iSantos. So umdlalo o-exciting kakhulu. Akusho ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns njalo uma ifuna ama-player skillful exciting ama-contributor kakhulu abheke eSouth America na. But yeah, so the answer is yes, by South America. So they have identified South America as i-core ye-team yabo in terms of ama-goal no-create ama-opportunities. Sikhumbule ukuthi nabo Sireno ba-introduce kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. So bane-history good, great in terms of like bringing world-class players from South America. So bona ukuthi le player bazokwazi ukulithola. 35 million tabled. The first offer was less than that, it was rejected. They went back for an improved offer, but sobona ukuthi le team le izohamba kanjani izinto, because i-team yakhe iSanta le yasePortugal le team imlone ku-sports yaseBrazil, but iBrazil-ke azange ba-terminate i-loan deal yakhe early. That is why i-move bayi-block-a laphana, or i-blockekile at the moment. But sabona nje overall ukuthi bazogcina bamtholile umdlalo super exciting. Then asikhulumeni ngoRelem Mofokeng bafethu, i-president yama-2K Orlando Pirates i-rejecta kwasani. Latest-ke manje ba-rejecte i-26 million offer from i-team ya-overseas yase-Russia. So kulento le what I wanna say ukuthi 26 million abantu bathi okay akusiyimali encane for Relem Mofokeng. Orlando Pirates khumbula ukuthi a week or so ago i-rejecte i-team yase-MLS iMinnesota for 35 million rands, and then bayi-rejecte i-team yase-Israel. So ba-rejecte ama-team amaningi kakhulu. So angazi ukuthi what is good for Relem Mofokeng in terms of like ukuthi i-career yakhe improve nanokuthi impilo yakhe ishintshe. Abanye abantu, I mean sonke sinama-different voices ngendaba ka-Relem Mofokeng ukuthi abantu abaningi bayahamba but yena uyasala eSouth Africa. You know the saddest part about this whole thing ukuthi noma singathi uRelem Mofokeng kumele aye kuma-top leagues or aye kuphi, but-ke the sad thing ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates akaholi imali ecacile, uku-contract nje ebhedayo because ubuya ku-DDC team, usasemncane umfana. So ukumbhlokha kanje it's not a good thing, and ngiyazi ukuthi masikhuluma sibona ngathi Orlando Pirates yenza into e-right. Yes, for in terms of i-team ukuthi bakhiphe i-player labo benze into e-right, but-ke if bayafuna ukumgcina let them give him the biggest deal ku-PSL, isibone ukuthi ba-serious ngempela ngokuthi bafuna ukugcina umfana nanokuthi u-important ethimini ye-Orlando Pirates, because uma edlala ubonakala u-frustrated, we can try and defend it. Uyabonakala ukuthi akusiwo-Relem Mofokeng esimaziyo. Siyazi ukuthi is performing below par in a way, but guess what, i-team entsha. At the same time noma kuthiwa i-team entsha, but mentally uyambona ukuthi umfana ulimele, akekho right, but it's time ukuthi izinto zizosolveka. If bayamgcina Orlando Pirates mabamnike i-biggest deal ku-PSL kuphela, because uyayi-deserve. Asimuveni kwezinye bafethu, khona iplayer laphana lePolokwane City elifunwa ama-team amaningi kakhulu, Orlando Pirates, i-Kaizer Chiefs. uMatuluri, yes, ulindele i-clearance lakhe laphana what is Polokwane City ukuthi abuye. Man ubuyile laphana ku-injury and stuff. Before abalimala umfowethu kuthiwa bekafuna ama-team amaningi kakhulu. Yeah man, Oh man, ulinde i-medical clearance ukuthi vele akwazi ukudlala overall umfowethu, but-ke sobona ukuthi ama-teams azoqhubeka amfune all over the country because manje is fully fit u-ready ukudlala. Imarket or i-transfer market ivalwa nge-22 September. So amalanga ayasondela noma ngithi amalanga ayaphela ngempela, but sobona ukuthi le play exciting kangaka lizophelela kuyiphi i-team. I mean umdlali umisele kakhulu in terms of like ama-performances wakhe before alimala. Umdlali, one of the most exciting football players ku-South African football. I mean iPolokwane City has produced so many great talents throughout the years. This could be the next big star in terms of like ukumuva top teams overall. But yeah, I mean, I'm still waiting for a few surprises. With Mamelodi Sundowns, they possibly sign one or two players, big names, obviously. Ucabange nabase-South America laba abagijimisa, sikhumbule ukuthi akusi ulo engikhulume ngayo ekuqaleni kuphela, khona noVaka abake bakhuluma ngayo bathi bambhekile but-ke bekuney'nkinga zakhe engingeke ngizisho because ama-personal problems anzima kakhulu. Mamelodi Sundowns, they have to get i-player. They don't like they will have to get i-player replace uLucas Ribeiro. So at the moment sisalindile sibone ukuthi kuzoba ubani lelo player lelo, because I mean isikhala saka-Lucas Ribeiro bafethu akukho simple, kunzima kakhulu ukuthi sisi-replace or maybe bangasi-replace. Yeah, I mean yeah, okay, before kuRileem Mofokeng cabanga i-Etifaq le le edlalelwa uNkotha bemfuna nayo bawa-reject ama-offers wabo awu-2 Minnesota, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bemfuna bayi-rejecta. Ufunwa ama-teams a-different all over the world. Orlando Pirates i-rejecta kwasani because bathi bafuna ukumgcina up until i-AFCON or bazomthengisa after i-AFCON. Yeah, mentally umfana eshazama ukuba right, it's not gonna be easy obviously ukuthi aloku aqhubeka laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Imagine uNkotha bedlala naye and uRileem Mofokeng is a bigger star, but uNkotha seyahola 10 times than uRileem Mofokeng or even more laphana e-Saudi Arabia, and uNkotha ujoyine late laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, former striker se-Kaizer Chiefs uRanga Shivaviro complete imove yakho e-Saudi Arabia, ubhuti uyohola imali e-serious. Transfer yamahhala because siyazi ukuthi bekayi-free agent, bamnike i-1 year deal laphana e-Saudi Arabia, la imali egaywa khona iningi kakhulu imali lapha e-Saudi Arabia. Uyodlala obviously ku-National First Division yakhona e-Saudi Arabia, but-ke imali ayiningi kakhulu. I mean le striker lesi cishe sajoyina or he was close to joining Chippa United only for izinto zicollapse ekugcineni because kuze i-team yase-Saudi Arabia ithi yamfuna. Ngekho umuntu onga-reject i-Saudi Arabia bafethu, imali is-serious. But the biggest question would be, would he rediscover his form laphana e-Saudi Arabia bafethu? Sobona. Ku-Orlando Pirates-ke khona i-trialist bafethu esilibonayo. In fact khona ama-2 trialist, khona i-defender lase-Nigeria. So bekunama-trialist awu-2. Khona i-defender lase-Nigeria ebelikhona laphana ku-Orlando Pirates lizama inhlanhla. Kuthiwa le defender leli belilaphana what is this team, i-Durban City li-trial, but he was let go by Durban City, but manje uku-Orlando Pirates ubhuti uzama inhlanhla khona, uyi-defender. Igama lakabhuti bafethu uCollins Nwaburuke, yes. Ucoach we-Orlando Pirates ne-technical team bayam-assessa, bayambheka ukuthi engaba well equipped ukulida i-Orlando Pirates to greater height or potentially-ke bamsayine ubhuti. uNda akwaziwa ukuthi uzodlala or ngeke adlale because umise ilokhunjana bafethu i-training ye-Orlando Pirates laphana ku-media opening day. Abantu abaningi bayazitshela ukuthi okay uNda uzobuya ku-Orlando Pirates after i-FIFA break or even before lapho, but-ke kube nama-delays, but i-agent yakhe seyiconfirmile ukuthi uNda is not injured, is ready to compete, but obviously akaka-train fully ne-team. Asazi ukuthi ngempela story sakhe ubafo sizophelela lapha, but yeah, i-defense ye-Orlando Pirates iyamdinga kakhulu, iyayidinga leyo aggression kwa-right back, at the back, why ngithi kwa-left back, kwa-right back, but laphana ku-central ku-back 4 ngisho kanjalo, bayayidinga naleyo aggression, and uGoody kuma-aerial balls is one of the leaders of the team. So it'll be interesting to see ngempela overall ukuthi lizophelelaphi le player leli. I-striker seMamelodi Sundowns bafethu uLebo Mothiba uthi usebenza kanzima kakhulu laphana nama-coaches kuma-training nase-training and stuff ukuthi babe-focus obviously-ke bazame ngempela ukuthola ama-results kula ma-game wabo lawa azayo. Nawo amagama kaMothiba uthi for manje for yena ukuthi ngempela akwazi ukuthola ama-minutes or akwazi ukudlala ama-game because of uyasho ukuthi bane-game vele against iMagesi. Uthi-ke but iMagesi bayishayile kungasekudala bafowethu yeah bayishayile kungasekudala, so it's what is this? Hayi, okay asiyibambe la lento le ngizoyikhatha.